Good morning to our principal, Brother Hector, brothers, the headmistress, teachers, and fellow students. Today, we gather to bid a fond farewell to a remarkable leader, our principal, Brother Hector Pinto, who has tirelessly served our school community for the past 7 years with unwavering dedication and passion. Under his guidance, our institution has witnessed remarkable advancements in academics, infrastructure, sports, and a myriad of extracurricular activities. His visionary leadership and tireless efforts have left an indelible mark on our school's legacy. Beyond his administrative duties, Brother Hector has been a source of inspiration and guidance to both students and staff alike. His warmth, wisdom, and genuine care for each member of our community have made him not only a respected figure, but also a beloved mentor and friend. While bidding farewell to Brother Hector fills our hearts with a sense of sadness, we also rejoice in celebrating his countless contributions and achievements during his tenure. As he embarks on a new chapter in his journey, we extend our heartfelt wishes for success and fulfillment in all his future endeavors. I now invite Shivansha Gangola of Class 12B to lead us in prayer, invoking blessings from the Divine for Brother Hector as he embarks on his new journey.
Join your hands and close your eyes for prayer. Dear God, as we bid farewell to our esteemed principal, Brother Hector, we thank you for his leadership and inspiration. May his future be filled with blessings and success. Guide our school community with unity and grace as we continue our journey. We pray that the seeds he has sown during his time here continue to grow and flourish, bearing fruits of excellence and positivity. Also help us carry forward the values instilled by our principal and unite us in purpose. Grant us strength, resilience, and a spirit of unity as we embrace the future with hope and gratitude. May Brother be blessed with continued strength and courage as he embarks on his new chapter of life. And may the road ahead be smooth, and may he find fulfillments and joy in all his endeavors. In your name we pray, Amen.
The school choir will now present a soulful performance. Let the melody of their voices unite as they honor the journey behind and embrace the new beginnings ahead.
There shall be
Divyansh Bhandari of class 12A will now deliver a heartfelt speech, shedding light on the influential presence of brother in our school community.
A truly great principal is hard to find, difficult to part with, and impossible to forget. A very good morning to one and all present here. Today, our hearts are full of sorrow, our souls full of dejection, and eyes brimming with tears. As we bid farewell to our dear principal, Brother Hector. A sorrowful farewell for Brother Hector. I'm sorry, sorrow, sadness, and melancholy are not the adjectives I would personally associate him with. He is a person whose heart is filled with nothing but hope and joy, whose soul is full of enthusiasm and eyes gleaming with passion. Shouldn't we celebrate this moment with a delighted heart? Now you must be wondering why. Because farewell is not a goodbye. Farewell is a celebration. Celebration for a new beginning, a new journey. Dear brother, throughout your tenure as a principal, you have been the heart and soul of this institution. Under your stewardship, St. Joseph's College Nainital has thrived and evolved into a nurturing environment where academic excellence, creativity, and compassion are valued and celebrated. Beyond your professional achievements, it is your warmth, kindness, and genuine concern for each and every member of our school community that we will miss the most. Your door has always been open, and your willingness to listen, support, and advocate for the needs of students, teachers, and staff alike has left an indelible mark on our hearts. As you embark on a new chapter in your journey, we want you to know that your legacy will endure long after you have left these corridors. Your resolute commitment to a school's values and principles will continue to inspire us to uphold the standards of excellence we have set. Thank you, brother, for your dedication, leadership, and unwavering commitment to excellence. You have made a difference in the lives of countless individuals, and your impact will be felt far and wide. Farewell. May the future hold nothing but the very best for you.
Bishop of class 12B will share his thoughts and reflections on Brother Hector's impactful leadership and mentorship journey at SEM.
A very good morning to one and all present here, respected dignitaries, brothers, headmistress, teachers, and my fellow pupils. It provides me a sense of gratitude as I stand here at this podium and having to bid farewell to our principal, Brother Hector Basil Noel Pinto, on behalf of the entire student community. Brother, look at all of us. We are a better person by your contributions. Brother Hector Pinto joined SEM in 2017 and was appointed as the principal of the institution in 2019 and sums up his tenure in 2024. He is a dynamic personality who has various contributions in what SEM is today. He is a person who is good at heart. He is a great visionary and has always been responsible towards his commitment of the betterment of students. He has helped in carving the best out of every Semite, not only as an individual, but also collectively. His tenure as SEM's principal has been transformative for the institution. For us boarders, Brother's tenure has been remarkable. More than a principal, he has been a friend to all of us. And he has a very good habit of interacting with the students, both old and new. Whenever a boy felt homesick, Brother appeared as a beacon of light, comforting boys with both his actions and words. Brother Hector is a great friend for anyone in need. He cracked funny jokes and made all of us laugh as long as he's been here. Your presence at SEM will be notably missed. Under his leadership, SEM has reached greater heights and is now ranked amongst the top schools in the country. Reflecting across his journey at SEM, there are various infrastructural developments that we shall recall. The SEM cliffs, synthetic lawn tennis courts, squash courts, cricket nets, the skating rink, sculpture room, the new basketball court, renovation of the Dhobi building, and currently in progress, the all-new indoor swimming pool. These are the major projects accomplished by Brother Hector during his tenure as a principal at SEM. Brother, your name will be forever remembered as we will make use of all these facilities. Another significant concept introduced by Brother is the Council Games. He gave the opportunity to the entire Bareilly zone to be acquainted with the CISCE Games. Last year, we hosted almost 8 games at our school. Our teams also performed significantly in the state level, and many boys participated in the national level competitions. Brother, your presence at SEM will indeed be missed by everyone. The entire student body would like to thank you for your contributions, and we are thankful for everything you have done. We wish you all the best for your future and hope you'll enjoy your time at Goethals Memorial School, Kurseong. Thank you, everyone.
I now request Mr. Bhatt to take the floor and impart his wisdom on behalf of the staff as we celebrate Brother Hector's remarkable tenure at our school.
Good morning, Mr. President, esteemed faculty, and beloved students. Today, with tears in our eyes, heavy hearts, we gather to give farewell to a significant figure. Our dear principal, little brother Hector Painter. The moment shared with him his own efforts and his love remains eternal in our hearts. Brother, you have propelled St. Joseph's College when you died to new heights. Your leadership has been nothing short of transformative, and under your guidance, SEM has undergone remarkable development, from the innovation of infrastructure such as hobby building to the establishment of the new tennis courts, basketball court, and the swimming pool. Your dedication towards enhancing our campus has created an environmental conducive to learning and growth for generations to come. But beyond your tangible accomplishments, it is your personal touch that has endeared you to us all. Your warm interactions with alumni have strengthened the bond between past and present students, inspiring them to come forward and contribute to the betterment of the alma mater. Your ability to connect with the kids, often with playful banter and leg pulling, has created a sense of camaraderie and belonging that defines the spirit of our institution. Moreover, the achievements of our students in various fields stand as a testament to your exceptional leadership and mentorship. Your guidance and encouragement have inspired us to excel in every field. As a teacher, I had the privilege of learning from your exemplary leadership during my time as a coordinator. Your trust in me and the continuous guidance, especially during challenging times like the ODA election, empowered me to contribute meaningfully to our alma mater. I'll be always grateful for your unwavering support and belief in my abilities. Brother, your dedication and vision have not only transformed our physical surroundings, but have also nurtured a culture of trust, collaboration, and excellence. Your impact will be felt for generations to come as each student and faculty member carries forward the values you have instilled in us. On behalf of the entire St. Joseph's College community, SEM expresses its heartfelt gratitude for your tireless dedication and selfless service. Your legacy will forever be etched in the halls of my alma mater, and I am honored to have been part of your journey. Farewell, Brother Hector, and may the road ahead be filled with joy, fulfillment, and endless blessings. Your warm hospitality will always be remembered with fondness and gratitude by Semova, Class of Court, and the entire St. Joseph's College community. Ayu pragya balam viryam tejo dastu prachatu swastham dirghastu tejam apnate jivatu. Which means, may you be blessed with longevity, wisdom, strength, courage, brilliance, and clarity of vision. May you enjoy good health and long life, and may you continue to thrive. Brother, there may have been moments where I fell short of the standards you set or the trust you placed on me. For these lapses, I express my deepest regrets. I request Brother Hector to please accept a small token of love from the present and past students.
Ms. Meryl De Costa will now express her feelings on this occasion.
good morning, Brother Principal, Brother Superior, and the brothers of the community of SEM, and Miss Raza. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed colleagues, and beloved students, today, gathered here in this assembly, we come together to bid a heartfelt farewell to Brother H. Pinto. As I stand here before you, I am overwhelmed by a myriad of emotions. In bidding adieu to Brother Hector, we are compelled to acknowledge the profound impact he has had on our school community. His leadership has been nothing short of an example, shaping our very essence of our institution and wisdom and foresight. Brother Hector, your stewardship has been marked as a rare blend of intelligence, vision, and above all, a deep-seated compassion for our school and its members. Beyond your remarkable leadership, it is the small gestures that resonate deeply within us. The playful banter shared with our students, your indistinct echoing laughter through these halls, and even the gentle firm no, no, no. Your presence, always purposeful, transversing these corridors with a sense of urgency, is tinged in our collective memory. Through your efforts, you have cultivated an environment of warmth and inclusivity, transforming our school into a sanctuary of countless individuals. As you embark on a new chapter of your journey, know that you carry with you the profound administration and respect for all those lives you have touched. Through your absence, you will keenly feel, particularly amidst these familiar corridors and cliffs. We eagerly anticipate the remarkable accomplishments that lie ahead of you. Thank you, Brother Hector, for your unwavering dedication, your boundless passion, and your steadfast belief in the potential of every soul you have encountered. Your legacy will endure in the hearts and minds of those you have inspired, and your influence will continue to shape our community for generations to come. Farewell, dear brother, and may your path be illuminated with boundless joy and fulfillment and enduring success.
Ma'am, now I cordially invite Brother Jerome to offer his words of encouragement and blessings to Brother Hector and wish him success in his future endeavors.
Good morning, Brother Hector, Brother Sato, Brother Lawrence, Mrs. Zebra, my dear teachers and my dear students. Today, we, the SEM family, stand at the crossroads of farewell and gratitude as we bid adieu to Brother Hector Pinto, our principal since 2019. Brother Hector's journey with SEM has been one of unwavering dedication and exemplary service. His tireless efforts have not only garnered him personal accolades, but more importantly, have left an indelible mark on the lives of countless individuals. His commitment to excellence, evidence of which we can see all around us, has elevated SEM to new heights, earning it many prestigious titles here in Uttarakhand as well as the country at large. Brother Hector's impact extends far beyond the confines of our campus. During the challenging COVID-19 times, his compassion knew no bounds. He spearheaded initiatives to provide essential supplies to the needy, demonstrating not only his leadership, but also his unwavering commitment to the welfare of the community. But what truly sets Brother Hector apart is his warmth and compassion towards every individual he encounters. He is not merely a principal, but a friend, a mentor, and a guide. These qualities have made him a beloved figure among students, staff, and parents alike. As we bid farewell to Brother Hector Pinto, let us not dwell on the sorrow of parting. Instead, let us celebrate the legacy he leaves behind. Let us carry forward the values of integrity, compassion, and excellence that he has instilled in us. And though he may be stepping down from his role as principal, his influence will continue to resonate within the hallowed walls of St. Joseph's College for many years to come. Brother Hector, as you embark on a new chapter in your journey, know that you take with you the heartfelt gratitude and best wishes of an entire community. May God continue to bless you with every blessing, and may your path be filled with success, fulfillment, and joy. God bless you.
Thank you, brother. Now please join me in giving a warm welcome to Brother Hector Pinto, the heart and soul of our school community, as he takes the stage to share his parting thoughts and reflections with us. Please welcome him with a huge round of applause.
Dear brothers, HM, the coordinators, the teachers and the students, the most difficult part is today. I was very relaxed till yesterday. I did mention to Brother Jerome that I would be very happy if there is no farewell program. It's because farewell is a very, very difficult event, whether it's my farewell or the farewell of any teacher or the graduation day. But I want to thank you for organizing this memorable day of celebration and farewell. Standing here today, I find myself reflecting on the nature of farewell, whether it's a retirement we did have just a few days back, or the graduation which we have for the class 12 students. Parting is always a poignant moment charged with emotion. Over the past 5 years, my journey as the principal has been both challenging and enriching. It was never an easy path. Indeed, it was strewn with hurdles and storms. Yet, with your unwavering support and cooperation, we navigated these challenges together. For that, I am profoundly grateful. I have always believed that my role here extended beyond administrative duties. I am a brother first. This belief guided my decisions. Decisions that were sometimes difficult, not always well received. However, in every choice, my first thoughts were always of you, my dear students, and of self. This philosophy has made my tenure here not just a job, but a profound relationship. Throughout these years, I have learned from each one of you, the teachers, the coordinators, the HM, the brothers, and especially the little children of junior school. While I never considered myself a perfect principal or the most talented, your support propelled us to achieve many remarkable events and ventures. These are testaments to what we can accomplish as a team with dedication, determination, and discipline. The 3 Ds that have been my mantra. As I prepare to leave, it is not the buildings or the cliffs or the landscape that I will miss most, but you. the students and the teachers of SEM. You have been the source of my energy and inspiration. To the Lord Almighty, I offer my deepest thanks for the opportunity to be a part of this SEM family. To our incoming leadership team, Brother Jerome Manuel as principal, Brother Lawrence Colasso as secretary, and Brother Sato D'Souza, my mentor and our community leader, along with Mrs. Zebaraza, the headmistress, and our coordinators, Mrs. Nagpal, Mr. Mandra, and Mrs. Sulaksha. I extend my best wishes. I am confident that under your guidance, SEM will continue to flourish. A heartfelt thanks to you as well as my previous coordinators, Dr. Tiwari, Dr. Munni Joshi, Mrs. Nalini Rawat, our Child Protection Officer, Dr. Munni Joshi, Mr. Digama, and Mr. Rakesh Bhatt, for your constant support and wise counsel. Working with me has never been easy, but I appreciate your patience and perseverance. To all my dear students, remember to always fight a good fight. Never give up. Each one of you is unique and special. Cherish that individuality. And as for any moments when I might have raised my voice, know that those memories fade against the backdrop of our shared achievements and joy. Keep smiling. Thank you again for this wonderful program and for all the effort you have put into today. It means more to me than words can express. May the good Lord bless and guide you all. May He walk with you in your life's journey. Take care. God bless. Thank you.
Thank you, brother. As we draw this memorable event to a close, let us carry with us the echoes of gratitude, inspiration, and camaraderie that have filled us today. As we embrace the changes that lie before us, let us remain steadfast in our commitment to uphold the values and ideals that Brother Hector instilled within us. May his teachings continue to guide and inspire us, lighting the path towards a brighter future for our beloved school community. Thank you, brother, for your selfless service and dedication. You will be dearly missed, but your legacy will forever live on in the halls of our beloved institution. Now, please rise for the college anthem.
Heard of many a school I trod, and many a college too, but there is one that always is the best for me and you. This perched on Annie's lovely lake, and our dads were there of old. For a century and more 'tis known as the home of the true and bold. For a century and more 'tis known as the home of the true and bold. Was called at first the good old SEM, and later SJC. And here a place cannot be found, at least for you and me. This boy's a hard to beat, my friend, in classroom with no fame. Their motto down the years has been, make sure to play the game. Their motto down the years has been, make sure to play the game. And here's to the boys of SJC, to our children every man. And pass the word to those who come, give them all